A cartoon cricket stadium bursts with color and life, packed with cheering fans under the bright sun. The Pakistan and India teams, all smiles, stride onto the field, a friendly rivalry about to unfold. Anticipation electrifies the air as the teams prepare, a vibrant spectacle of sportsmanship and excitement. Under the blazing sun, Indian batsmen dominate the vibrant green cricket field, smashing balls with powerful strokes. Pakistan's bowlers unleash cartoonish tricks. Impossible spins create whirlwinds as wickets comically tumble. Frustration mounts as unbelievable antics lead to wickets falling amid exaggerated slapstick humor. Pakistan starts batting with confidence. The opener swings, sending the ball soaring high for a colossal six, disappearing over the clouds. The tension thickens as the final over looms. Only one run needed. The batsman connects, sending the ball hurtling towards the boundary. Fireworks explode across the stadium as the Pakistani flag waves proudly. Both teams shake hands with big smiles.